Hello students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting video, I would like to tell you something. Please sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, pause the video, note it and proceed on. If you find somewhere difficulty, then please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again.
Now here is the question. In the balanced condition, the values of the resistance of the four arms of a Wheatstone bridge are shown in the figure. The resistance R3 has temperature coefficient 0.0004 per degree Celsius. If the temperature of R3 is increased by 100 degrees Celsius, the voltage developed between S and T will be fill in the blanks volt. This question is asked 2020 JEE Advance. Okay, what is the question here? According to the diagram, here R1, R2, R3 and R4 is given 60, 100, 300 and 500 ohms. And between P and Q, the potential battery of 50 volt is connected, and we have to calculate the potential difference S and T when the temperature is rising up to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so here we have using Wheatstone bridge concept, Kirchhoff law and resistance when increasing the temperature. Okay, so firstly we have redraw this diagram. Here P and Q, this P and Q connected with 50 volt battery, 50 volt battery. Okay, and here P to S, P to S R1 60 ohm. So here S, here S junction, this is R1 60 ohm. Okay, and here SQ, SQ that is R3, here SQ that is R3 300 ohm. Okay, and here T, so PT, P and T that is R3, R3 what is R3? R3 that is 300, PT between PT R2, sorry, R2 that is 100 ohm, and TQ, TQ that is 500. Okay, so here TQ, here R4 that is 500 ohm, and we have to calculate potential difference between S and T. Is it okay? So we have from this diagram. Read down. Here R3 initial temperature R3 is given 300. So at the temperature rising 100 degrees Celsius, that time new resistance R3 dash, R3 1 plus alpha delta T. So R3 dash is equal to R3. R3 is given 300, 1 plus what is the value of alpha? 0.0004, and temperature rising up to 100 degrees Celsius. So R3 dash is equal to 300. Here decimal is removed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 0 cancel out. So here 1 plus 4 by 100. So R3 dash 104 by 100. So R3 dash is equal to 312 ohm. So now after rising the temperature 100 degrees Celsius, here R3 dash become 312 ohm. Okay. Now applying Wheatstone bridge arrangement, here no any current will flow. So that time we have calculate equivalent resistance between the path PSQ, that is resistance 60 ohm means R1, and here R3 dash, R3 dash, R3 dash is equal to 312 ohm. So 312 ohm and path PTQ, the resistance is used R2 and R4, that is 100 and 500. Here 50 volt battery is connected. So net resistance of the path PSQ, that is 372 ohm, and for the total or net resistance of the path PTQ, 500 plus 100, that is 600. Okay, so as we know that if path is changed, it means current is changed. So here let's say current is I1 and this is I2. So what is the formula of current? That is I1 is equal to V. Potential difference is the same, that is 50, and resistance, that is 372 for the I1, and for I2 is equal to 50 by 600 ampere. Clear? So here we get two currents, I1 and I2. Now as we know that we have to calculate the potential difference between S and T, so we have using Kirchhoff's closed mesh rule or closed loop rule. So path or loop PSTP, this is closed mesh. So here what it says, the Kirchhoff second rule, here the summation of product of current and resistance is equal to presence or summation of total net EMF present in the mesh. This is second law of Kirchhoff or loop rule. Is it okay? So here we have using this loop rule on the path P, S, T and P. So here current, what is current? I1. Here I1, I1 R1 P2S, then potential VST, and here we have moving against to the current, so therefore minus I2 R2 is equal to 0 because there is no any internal potential connected in this closed loop. Is it okay? So what is here I1 and R2 I2? So here we already find out. So VST equal to I2 R2 minus I1 R1. So what is I2? 50 by 600. And what is R2? R2, that is 100 minus I1. What is I1? That is 60. Sorry, I1, that is 50 by 70, 372, and R1, that is 60. Is it okay? So here 5000 and 600 minus 5 6 are 30 to 0 and 372. Okay. Now here 2 0 cancel out. VST is equal to 50 by 6, and here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12. For our convenient, actual value is different, but we have to our convenient we have consider 124 in the place 125. Is it okay? So 125 adds a 1000 and 650 divided by 6, that is 6 adds a 48, 6 threes are 18. So 8.33 minus 8. So approximately value 0.33 volt between S and T. Okay, actual answer that is approximately 0.272 to 0.29, but here we have our convenient we have 124 in the place of we have substitute 125. Is it okay? I hope so you understood this question. Thank you.
Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Definitely, when you will become success, whole contribution goes to your hard work. But if my videos, my lectures, my questions will help in your success, I will consider myself lucky. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.